Every Birdie. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little different. I did go to school to become a nail tech, so I'm going to be doing a simple ombre design that my instructor showed me how to do. So if you want to see how it's done, watch and let's do this. So first, I'm going to just paint this nail and then cure it. It's a really pretty lavender color. So I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Here's the one my instructor did. I want to show you because it's so pretty. Look at my ugly nails. Okay, so secondly, we're going to take this glittery color and we're going to paint the tip of it. I'll show you like this. And then she showed me a really cool trick to do kind of like an ombre nail. So you do that, and then you take your finger and then you kind of press it up. Here, I'll show you this way. You might have to take some more. This is a really simple, easy, beautiful design. Look how pretty that is. You can see the gradients of the different color. Like the dark glitter to like a lighter glitter to very, very light glitter. I'm going to try this technique again with dry glitter, but I don't have it tonight. So the next thing we're going to do is take this gem glue, UV and LED gem glue right here. And we are going to paint the nail. So before we paint the nail with the gem glue, I'm going to cure it first for 60 seconds. Okay, so that's what it looks like cured. Now I'm going to take the gem glue and we're going to paint the glue on so the gems could stick. So this is the gem glue. Oh, that's better. So take a good amount and then just start painting on there. So one pro tip is always close all of your glues and your polishes because you don't want it to cure them because then it ruins it all. Okay, so we're taking our little nail design, our little nail thing. Now we're gonna bling it out. Bling bling. So place your crystal there, and you can place them pretty much anywhere, but we kind of want to do it like this one. And then we chose different sizes, so you can pick whatever size you want. It's gonna look good. This is like a really simple, pretty design. Then you want to go in between them and put the little tiny ones. If they flip over, that's okay, just turn them over. You kind of want to ombre out the stone, the crystals too. Very easy, very simple design. When I first started getting into doing these different kinds of stones, I was terrified because I didn't know how to place them, but now I'm seeing you can do absolutely anything you want to. So I think that's plenty, and actually, no, I lied. Just kidding. Put a couple more in the front. Now I'm gonna cure this. So hang on one second. Okay, so this is the finished nail. It is so pretty. Don't look at that hand. The hand looks awful. So this is really, really gorgeous. I'm gonna finish the rest of them off camera. So yeah, that's just what we got so far. Very, very pretty. I love it. I love all these colors. These are like my favorite types of colors, so yeah.